Just click on download button and your downloading will start instantly. As you can see, the downloading is started instantly from official website and the downloading is started. To download official Windows from Microsoft, just go to microsoft.com/en-in/software download. So this is official Microsoft link where you can download any operating system. Here you can see Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 as well. So if you want to download Windows 10, so click here. So I'm opening this link in next tab so that I can show you that how to download Windows 10 from your computer. Currently I'm using Windows 11 on my Windows PC. As you can see, you can't download ISO file directly from here. You need to download their tool, which is Update Assistant or Windows 10 Installation Media. So this will download ISO file internally and create a bootable installation media. But if you are looking for downloading ISO file, so you need to do some tricks. This website determines that which operating system you are using currently. So this system knows that you are using Windows PC. So that's why it's not allowing you to download ISO file directly from there. So they are suggesting you to download their tool so that you can easily create bootable media so that you can install Windows on your PC. So we need to spoof this website so that Microsoft will never know that you are using Windows PC. So to do this, just right click here and select inspect. After that, you need to click on this little icon. Currently I'm using Google Chrome. This will be same on Firefox as well. So click on this icon. So now this page is open in responsive mode, which means that you can select which device you want to use to render this web page. You can choose any mobile device or tablet device. So I will choose iPad mini here. So I will choose zooming to 150 so that I can see the page content easily. And then you need to hit reload button so that this web page will load in mobile view. So once the web page is loaded, Microsoft will not know that you are using Windows PC. So Microsoft is giving a warning that you have been routed to this web page because the operating system you are using won't support the Windows 10 media creation tool, which means that Microsoft doesn't know that you are using Windows PC. So just scroll down and from the select edition drop down, select your edition, which is Windows 10 multi-edition ISO, and click on the confirm button. Okay, so now after the loading, if you scroll down and you will see another option which is select the product language, which means now you need to select the language of your Windows which is being downloaded. Just click on the choose one and select your language. I will select English USA because I want to download it English, and click on the confirm button. Now it's checking on Windows server that which Windows 10 English version available. So now two versions are available, which is 32-bit version and the 64-bit. Now download the desired Windows version. If your system support only 32-bit, then you can download 32-bit version, and if your system supports 64-bit, then you can download 64-bit version. Just click on download button and your downloading will start instantly. As you can see, the downloading is started instantly from official website and the downloading is started. And the same way you can download any other version. Like if you want to download Windows 11, you need to open that link which is Windows 11, and it will open the same page which is opened in case of Windows 10. And it's also showing that you need to download Windows 11 installation media tool. So we don't want to download this, so just do the same thing. Just right click here and select inspect, and then this responsive button is already selected, so you need to just reload your browser. And now you can see there is a new option which is download Windows 11 disk image ISO. So select your download, which is Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, and click on download button. Now you need to select the product language. So I will choose English here and click on confirm button. And then the final step, which is 64, because Windows 11 doesn't support 32-bit system, so you need to download 64-bit only. So just click on 64-bit download button and the download will start instantly. Just click on start button and your download will be started. So this is the simplest way to download ISO file of any Windows version from official website.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well, so I can create more valuable content for you. Follow us on other social media accounts as well. Links are in description of this video.